Hey guys, welcome back to the John's Kitchen. Today we're gonna be making peri peri sauce. Let's go for it! First, we're gonna rough chop the bell peppers. Then, we're gonna crush the garlic using your hands or a knife. Now peel the zest from a lemon, place it in a bowl and squeeze the juice in the same bowl. Then remove any seeds. Now put all the ingredients into a container because the next step is to blend. Careful, don't blend the bay leaves like Ama almost did. Now blend all the ingredients on a medium speed until we have a rustic texture. Place the sauce into a pot, transfer onto the stove, then add the bay leaves. Finally, turn the stove on to medium-high heat and simmer for about 5 minutes. Remove the bay leaves and transfer the sauce back into the blender, then add the vinegar and lemon juice. At this point you want to place the lid on the blender and turn it on to the lowest setting, then slowly add the oil, remove the lid and give the sauce a quick mix. Add your basil and blend for 10 seconds. And that's it guys, your peri peri is done. This sauce is so good, tasty and very versatile. You can use it as a marinade or condiment with literally everything. Thank you for staying with us until the end. Remember to subscribe and see you next Monday. Ciao ciao!